Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G62, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to system and select reset options. Choose Erase All Data Factory Reset, which will provide you with a little message letting you know that Factory Reset removes everything that is listed right here. Now, the things that are actually worth mentioning right here, because not all of them are, would be things like music, photos, and user data. These will be usually things that are stored on the phone itself and not on the cloud. So if there's anything that you like to keep, maybe your photos or music or any kind of user data, downloaded files or stuff like that, do make a copy of it somewhere else, like to your computer or maybe Drive, before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and there is no way of getting it back. Now, if you have something that is kept on the cloud, you don't need to worry about it. Additionally, Google account obviously doesn't really matter. It doesn't remove the Google account like fully, it just signs it out of this device. Anyway, let's select Erase All Data once more, and this will begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about 3 minutes to finish up, give or take a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.